thank you for joining me today. I am going to talk about Stila. Now this company I am considering in my Made in the USA series because all of their products are made in the US except for their lip and eyeliners. Those are made in Germany. So I figured that since the majority of their products are made in the US, I would include them in this series. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the liquid eyeshadow set in Enchanted Eyes. Now I did get this one, I think it was around Christmas time at Ulta, and this exact kit is no longer available, but there is a similar kit on Ulta where it's just 3 of them instead of all 6, but 3, and that is, I think that those were mini $11.25 on the Stila site. And let's see, the full size of these are for the Jezebel and Plum On. The full size is $24 each. So let's take these out. So here's what they look like. And these are long lasting. I felt like pretty good. And they blend easy. I really do like them. I will swatch all of them as I am talking. So let's start with the gold side. And I know there's been a lot of talk about these, and I have tried a lot of glittery eyeshadows, and I did find that as of the ones I've tried that these are the easiest to work with. Okay, so we have, so this is what the tube looks like. And let's see if it says anything. Made in the US, it's 12 months is the shelf life after you do open this. So you do want to use them up pretty quickly because I think I haven't had these a full 12 months, but I would assume just from the consistency that they will dry out. Okay, so this is Plum On, and this brand is 100% cruelty free. So it's not like an in-your-face kind of glitter, you know, with a kind of hard, clunky glitter is what I'm trying to say, but it's a nice metallic-y. And the brand was founded in 1994 by makeup artist Jeannie Lobel. This one is Smoky Storm. So this is, now that, look at how great that is. Nice gold glitter. This would be great for holidays. Just put a pop of color. This one is Diamond Dust. And so it's a little bit more silvery. So pretty. So you can wear these as eyeshadow on them on alone, or I have been wearing them as kind of a topper, but I have worn a little bit just like kind of in the outer corner as on its own, but I do like them as a topper. Okay, the name Stila is derived from a Swedish word which means style. Okay, so we're gonna go over to this one. And Estee Lauder did buy the company in 1999. Then it was sold to Sun Capital Partners in 2006. And then in 2009, they became a Lynn Tilton company then it sold to a private equity fund, Patricia Partners LLC. So the company has changed hands quite a bit. But from what I could find, they are still cruelty free. They do not sell in mainland China. Okay, so we're gonna start, this is Kitten. And so these with the brown cap, I would say are more of a metallic, as you can see, more than the glitter. And they are just so pigmented. Then we have Jezebel, which is more of your copper color. And Pigel, I think I'm saying that right. If you watched my videos before, you'll know I'm not very good with pronunciation. Okay, so I'll get closer to that. I just wanted to close the cap on all these so they don't dry out. So that's your darker. So yeah, you can definitely see the gold cap is your glitters, and these are kind of your shimmer metallic-ies. Just so pretty. Really like them. They feel very creamy when you apply, and like I said, I think that they're easy to work with. I like putting them on my lid and then patting it out with my finger. I will show you. And there we go. Did get a little bit of glitter everywhere, but the Stila lip glaze was originally created for Cameron Diaz while she was on the set of Charlie's Angels. I thought that was kind of a fun fact. And the current CEO is Lynn Tilton. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to put this on. I do have on Ulta Beauty eyeshadow right now. I will link that video. If I'm not sure which video I'm going to do first, but if I've already done the Ulta one, I will link it down below, and if I haven't, then stay tuned because that's coming. But as you can see, okay, so that's what it looks like with before, without it. So we're going to put, let's see, let's do Jezebel, which is kind of the copper color. So here is what all the applicators look like. They're flat and the handles are square. So yeah, this one, okay, so I'm just gonna try to put it on just with the applicator to show you. So yeah, hopefully you can see. So this is not smudging it out or anything, just purely putting it on with the applicator. I feel like it's really easy to apply, easy to get where you want it to. And yeah, look at how much of a pop that gives the eyes. So much more of a pop. I feel like that opens up my eyes and brightens it up. So we'll put that on the other one.
Yeah, I really like this.
And I don't think that it causes crepiness or anything. As you can see, yeah, I just really like that. I feel like it just really gives a nice pop of color. Love it. So I would highly recommend these. Really like them. And I will let this dry down a little bit. It just kind of feels a little kind of still wet on it, and then I'll put one of the glittery ones on there. They describe it on the back of here. The ones with the copper lids, they say are high shimmer minus the glitter. And then the ones with the gold, they say dazzling ultra sparkle finished. So if you're kind of, you know, not sure which ones you want to try, I would just kind of ask yourself, do you want glitter or if you want more of the metallic? Okay, so that's what that looks like. And let's add some glitter. Okay, so I think that I will go with the gold. Or do I want to do the plum? Such decisions. Yeah, I'm going to go with the gold. So that is Smoky Storm. Again, same kind of applicator. And I don't know if this will mess us up. Or if you'll be able to see. I'm just going to kind of put it. Oh yeah, look at that. How awesome that is. I'm just gonna, so this I put above the other one, kind of in the crease, and just really, I love it. So pretty. I had kind of tucked these away and forgot about them a little bit, and now that I'm trying them out for this video again, I forgot how much I like these. So I definitely have to keep these out because I just think they are so pretty. So here you go. This gives a nice glitter and definitely easy to work with. Like I said, I've tried Wet n Wild and I think it was Sigma, their glitters, and I just found that this was way easier to work with. You know, you don't need, granted it's not the big glitters, but you don't need glitter glue or anything like that, and they just go on much easier, I found, for me personally, than those other ones. So pretty. So let me know what you think, if you've tried these and what your favorite. Do you like the metallic or the glitters? And I hope that this was helpful. I really love that this brand, most of their stuff is made in the US, so I will continue to support them. And I just love these. Let me get the liquid eyeshadows. So that's what these are called. Love them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.